Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. In today's video, we will see the recipe of red sauce or Arrabbiata sauce, which you will usually find in pastas at restaurants. You won't believe this sauce is very easy to make and probably all the ingredients you already have in your home because you need it in everyday cooking. So let's take a look at the ingredients and the recipe. But before we move ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so every time you get notifications when I post a new video. So let's get started. So, before we start making the sauce, we need to keep one thing in mind, that the tomatoes we require, you make sure that they are English tomatoes and not the Indian ones, because the Indian tomatoes have a slightly sour taste to them. So we will require English tomatoes. So for this recipe, we will take approximately 6 to 7 tomatoes and we will make a cross section cut on it, usually on the top. Now we have to boil the tomatoes until the skin of the tomato starts to peel off. Once they are peeled off, they are ready to be used further. Now we will just peel off the skin properly and then keep the tomatoes in a bowl for the further use. Now to make the sauce, we will require garlic cloves, 6 to 7 of them, salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder and pasta seasoning. You can also use mixed Italian herbs. If you don't have any of these, you can simply go for oregano and chili flakes. So let's get started making the sauce now. In the tomatoes, we will add our garlic cloves, salt, black pepper powder and red chili powder and blend it using a hand blender until everything is well combined and well mixed. Once the tomatoes get crushed and the garlic gets mixed in, we will finally add our pasta seasoning and mix it using a spoon. It is very important to use a spoon while mixing this and not a hand blender because sometimes dried herbs get crushed and give a very bitter taste to the sauce. That's why we require to use a spoon. You can also boil it on a stove for about 5 to 10 minutes or about 1 to 2 minutes so that it is a little bit cooked as you want, but I think this sauce is just perfect as it is. You can now use it in your lasagnas or any type of pasta. The amazing thing about this sauce is that you can also use it to make pizzas. It is so versatile. I hope you like this recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and share it with all your friends and family members. Don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Until we meet again, thanks again you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.